When it comes to heating and air conditioning systems for your home, go to the world's #1 brand, Carrier. Whether you're looking to cool your home with central air or duct-free options that both cool and heat your home, turn to the experts, your local Carrier dealer. They offer free in-home consultations and provide expert advice and affordable solutions to fit every budget. For all your heating, cooling, and indoor air quality needs, repair or replacement, turn to the experts. Find your nearest Carrier dealer at upgradetocomfort.com.